So just wanted to take a moment. One of the questions we get here at Property Revolution is, what do you actually do? So it doesn't have a description in our name that says what we do, and sometimes people will have us out to quote a project and they don't realize the other services that we offer. So just wanted to walk through real quick what we do here at Property Revolution. Our four main categories that we offer are roofing, siding, decks, and fences. And then under each of those categories, there's an assortment of options and possibilities that we might encounter. So the first one is roofing. We do shingle roofing. So most homes in our area have shingles on them. We do shingle roof replacements all the time. We also do metal roofing. There's both standing seam and corrugated metal, and we actually have another video we're putting together to talk about the pros and cons of metal roofing. We can also work with low slope roofing. Typically you would see that more in a commercial or industrial application where it's a commercial building with a lower pitch. And those roofs have either TPO, EPDM, or torch down. We can also do roof coatings on those. So there's quite a few possibilities. And we also have the capability of doing repairs. A lot of companies that work in our area, they want to do whole projects and not repairs. And so we found that we could serve people better if we offered those. So we have one repair technician that we can dispatch and usually get roof repairs done fairly quickly. The next category is siding. Under our siding category, we do replacement windows, doors as well, so both like patio doors or entry doors. Soffit and fascia, which is like the edge of the roof line. There's a metal enclosure usually there, sometimes it's wood. We can do that. We do seamless gutters and downspouts along with gutter protection, so like gutter guards. And then the siding itself, there's a whole range of possibilities with more coming out all the time. There's metal, there's vinyl siding, which is what you see most of the time on people's homes. And then there's some solid sidings like LP Smart Side or Hardy. We are James Hardy certified. So there's just a lot of possibilities with siding when it comes to textures and trims. And so all of those things when it comes to the exterior cladding of a building, we can work with. We have two awesome deck crews. We build a lot of decks every single week. We build them out of wood. So just a traditional wood deck is usually a little more basic. And then we do composite decks as well. So with composite decks, just like siding, there's a lot of combinations of color, handrail, different textures, different trim ideas. So there's really a lot we can do there. We started installing lighting kits on composite deck projects. Those are pretty cool. And then for handrail on decks, they vary from wood to composite to aluminum. Cable railing is something that a lot of people like, especially if they're worried about their view. So there's a lot of different options when it comes to decking and railing. And then under the fence category, we typically do residential and commercial fences. We don't really do a lot with like animal or pasture fence. So we install lots of wood privacy fence, vinyl privacy fences. Chain link comes in all sorts of gauges and heights. And then aluminum fencing, which some people see it and think it's called wrought iron, but it's actually made from aluminum. Usually you would see like in the front of someone's home or around a pool enclosure. So we provide that type of fencing as well. And then vinyl fences come in lots of styles and colors. So there's a lot to choose from there. So I hope that helps. That's what we do here at Property Revolution. If you'd like to get a quote on any of those things that we just mentioned, you can find us online at www.mypropertyrevolution.com or call us at 616-315-2777. Thank you.